Want a stunning festive glam look? Let's create this gorgeous makeup look. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with our look. First, I'm applying moisturizer to hydrate my skin and create a smooth base for makeup. So never skip moisturizer even if you have an oily skin. Next, I'm using a primer. It makes your makeup last longer during long events and celebrations. If you have a dark circles or pigmentation like me, use an orange color corrector before foundation. Apply only where needed and blend it well. I'm using my fingers to blend. Now let's move to the foundation. I'm using brush to blend my foundation. If you are using a sponge, use a damp sponge. Remember, always start with a less product. I'm applying concealer under my eyes, forehead, nose bridge and chin to brighten the face. Always choose a concealer that are only like 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation to get the natural result. Let's move on to my favorite part, the eyes. I'm starting with a soft transition shade in the crease. These create a smooth gradient and makes blending easier later. I'm taking a darker brown shade and focusing it on the outer corner using a thin fluffy brush. The real secret of beautiful eye makeup is blending, not adding more eyeshadows. Now taking an orange shade and blending it over the crease. Afterward, taking a yellow shade, applying it on the lid and blending it out with the orange shade we applied earlier. Taking that same orange shade, applying it under the eyes using a flat brush to create a shadow effect. Applying kohl on the waterline to define the eyes. Taking a black eyeshadow and setting the kohl so it doesn't smudge afterwards. I forgot to film the eyeliner part from starting, but as you can see I have created a small vein and I'm taking the eyeliner to the inner corner of the eyes. Now I'm contouring my nose using a brown shade. I'm using my finger to blend it. I'm adding a warm peachy blush to the cheeks. Apply blush slightly higher on the face for the lifted appearance. So far this is what the makeup looks like. For the festive sparkle, I'm applying shimmer on the inner corner of the eyes. Adding highlighter on the nose and the nose bridge. Then applying it high on a cheekbone. I'm defining my lips with a chocolate brown lip liner. Slightly overline the cupid's bow. Overline very slightly. Then filling the lips with a beautiful festive lipstick shade. For extra glam, add a little gloss in the center of the lips. Curling the lashes and then applying a coat of mascara. Look at that glow. This makeup look is glamorous, festive, beginner friendly and perfect for any celebration. If you enjoyed the festive glam look, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you are a beginner and you want more such tutorial, let me know in the comments.